Do you hear that?
Yeah. What is it?
Okay.
I don't know.
Is it coming from here? You mean the volume?
Yes.
Oh, it's probably from here. Yeah.
Will you be able to turn it down?
Yeah. Is it? It's like very low now.
Can you just unplug the headphones and then, or
I don't know. It's really low. I don't know if that was it.
that's not it. That's not it.
It's gone now. It was very low.
There's something right here.
No.
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 I don't know.
Hi. Do you hear a high-pitched whine coming from that?
Is it from this?
Would you mind turning it off for a second?
Yeah.
I mean, that is.
Wow. Do you guys hear that? Where is it coming from?
It sounds like it's like under here or something.
Wow. Could it be something else that you have? I'm so sorry for the trouble.
Oh, that's all right.
Just try turning off the computer and turning it back on. Thinking of it. If we shut down this whole thing, it seemed like it was coming like from right here. Okay, I can hear it a little. But I'm wondering with the echo in here, would that be coming from? Do they see anybody with a hearing aid? No.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Make sure to share this with your friends and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks for watching again, and peace.